Keep it coming, Vance. 2 rounds. Come on. Keep it together, Nicola.
There you go, Vaughn. Go, go, go.
Back in line, Vance. This round's gonna get tackled.
Oh, come on now. Better hold than that. There you go.
Tackle him, Kenny. Tackle, tackle.
Go ass now.
There we go. Go out. Go out, on the roll. Yeah, roll.
Get those feet up. Get those feet up.
Oh, there we go. All feet up.
Come on, feet up ahead. You're gonna break an ankle. Good job, Oscar.
There we go.
Tack that mat, Manny. Tack that mat, Berto. Tack the mat. Attack it. Get those feet up, Mike.
Down.
Come on, that's the lower back. That's gonna break your ass. There we go, Vance.
Bam. Oh,
Those feet up, Vance.
Get your ass.
Both feet up, Oscar. Check the mat. There you go. Check the mat, Berto. There we go. Check the mat, Mike.
Hip toss, Vance. Hip toss. Hip toss. Hip toss. Fuck yeah.
Go.
Come on, run. Run, Oscar. It looked like a run in the daisies.
Right?
Yeah, he was running to his love.
Oh,
Jump up, Berto.
right. Come on, Nicola.